asawa ko. Maglinis. Punta ako ng work. Ihahatid niya ako. Kaya lang, grabe. Late na ako sa trabaho. Nag-snow kami na. Ayan, lakas. Araw-araw na lang, non-stop. Siguro pag gabi dito gising. Kaya ba yung kabila? Tigas. Na-late na ako. Hi, Maddie.
Hi.
She can go with me. No, just and me in the work, and they're going back home after. Bibilis. Lakas ng snow. Ay, hindi talaga. Kanina lakas. Ngayon pahina. Ay, malakas pa din. Anong oras na ba dito? Alauna na. Alauna 5. Alauna pasok ko. Okay. May massage pa ako mamaya. After work, 6 o'clock. Part-time ko to, part-time. Bilisan town, bilisan.
What a beautiful day.
Buntok ng snow.
There's a big hill for sliding.
Yeah. Grabe snow. Going
I
to
know, we're
work.
not going to the big hill though. We're not.
We're not now. There's snowing, Maddie.
Yeah, you can't go snowing. You can't go sliding when it's snowing, huh?
Tomorrow, can we go together?
You and Mommy can walk.
Yeah, I want. I love to walk with the snow.
Look.
The snowman. Look at the Santa Claus. The fall.
He fell.
Very good. That one's drunk.
I put the heater in my chair. I love it. You know what I mean? Work. Saturday afternoon. 1 o'clock. I'm late.
Oh no.
You're late.
No, Northern's closed.
No,
Mommy's
it's not.
there.
Why is Northern closed?
No, it's not.
I'm joking.
Grabe snow, oh. Kita ba? Parang pino-pino eh. Yung school, oh, natabunan na.
Nobody at the daycare.
Nobody at the daycare.
Nobody in the daycare, that's right. It's closed because parents not working, right, Daddy?
Saturday.
Sometimes, some parents. Pabahay yan ng mga nurse tsaka doktor. Ayan yung high school. Araw-araw ko na lang itong binibidyo, hindi ako nagsasawa. Wala kasi kung tayo maglakad maglalaro sa snow. Walang puro pasok-pasok trabaho.
Behind us. We saw one car.
That's right.
I just saw one car today. The dog, so cold dog.
They're dogs. They love it.
Go home, dog. Go home.
He loves walking.
With the snow, right?
Mm-hmm. Teachers.
We saw one car.
I found one car too. Oh, dog. Poor.
We saw one red car.
Oh, this car's mine.
One another. One more.
We found 2 red cars. I mean, 2 cars. We found 2 cars.
I think they're going northern.
They're following us.
Going grocery.
There, I found 3 trucks. Another one over there.
The construction is covered of snow. Look, the building. No more
Everything's
river. You
white.
cannot see the
Everything's
river.
I
All
found
the ice.
I found 5 cars.
You think
that
it's
are-
ready for ski though?
I found
Not
5
yet.
cars that are moving.
I don't want to walk on that yet.
The river? Not yet.
I'm
I'm here. Bye bye guys. You're not gonna in for Tim Hortons coffee?
No, nothing you need.
Bye, Mama.
Bye. Love you guys. Mistas. Ito yung store. Opisina. Diyan ako nagwo-work pag Monday to Friday. Tapos yung cashier ko ito. Ito yung sa akin. Ito yung asawa ng manager. Ito ako. Kirkland. Raspberry. Dami. Pasyal ko kayo. Ang daming burger. Ang mahal ng meat dito. Ito lang $21, $22 na. 700 grams. Sorry. Dito ko binili yung cactus ko. Ayan. Ayan, ibang kulay. Ayan yung binili ko. Tapos bibili pa ako nito. Sobrang ganda. Parang hindi to. Parang plastic. O, diba? Pero totoo yan. Sarap po.